Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to my channel. Today we've got something sleek and stylish to unbox. The Storm Blue Apple Silicone case for the iPhone 14 Pro. Let's dive right in. Here it is, the elegant packaging. The box features an image of the phone case with the iconic Apple logo. It's a simple and clean design. Inside, we find the Storm Blue silicone case snugly encased. The color is gorgeous. It's a deep blue that exudes sophistication. The case feels soft and smooth to the touch. It's made from high quality silicone, providing a comfortable grip. Let's talk about some features. Slim profile. The Storm Blue silicone case maintains the iPhone 14 Pro's slim profile. It adds protection without bulk. Precise fit. It's designed specifically for the iPhone 14 Pro, with precise cutouts for buttons, ports, and the camera. The soft microfiber lining. The interior has a soft microfiber lining that prevents scratches and keeps your phone in pristine condition. Wireless charging compatibility. You can charge your iPhone wirelessly with a Qi charger or a MagSafe charger without having to remove the case. MagSafe. So one of the key features of this case is its compatibility with MagSafe accessories. The case has magnets built in, allowing you to easily attach MagSafe chargers, wallets, and other accessories to your phone. Easy to clean. So if this one gets dirty, you just wipe it down. It's that simple. Let's talk about the benefits of owning the Storm Blue Apple silicone case for the iPhone 14 Pro. As mentioned before, protection. You keep your iPhone safe from scratches, minor drops, and everyday wear and tear with this case. Enhanced grip. The silicone material provides a non-slip grip, reducing the chances of accidental drops. Stylish aesthetics. The Storm Blue color adds a touch of elegance to your iPhone. Personalization. Express your style by choosing this unique shade and color of blue. Peace of mind. With this case, you can confidently carry your iPhone without worrying about damage. And there you have it, the Storm Blue Apple silicone case for the iPhone 14 Pro. If you found this unboxing helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech content. Once again, thanks for watching, and until the next time, stay tuned for more exciting unboxing and reviews.